Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tech.
Today we will be discussing a common iPhone issue, a zoomed-in screen. It can be frustrating, but don't worry, it's usually a quick and easy fix. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple methods to get your iPhone screen back to normal in no time. We'll cover using accessibility settings and, if necessary, a restart.
So stick around.
But before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Roam Tech for more quick tech tutorials and tips.
Alright, let's get started.
The most common reason for a zoomed-in iPhone screen is accidentally activating the zoom feature. Here's how to turn it off. Method 1. Using 3 fingers. This is the easiest and most common solution. Simply double-tap the screen with 3 fingers simultaneously. If the zoom feature is on, this should zoom the screen back out to its normal size.
Give it a try.
Double tap with those 3 fingers. Method 2. Accessing zoom settings. If the 3-finger tap doesn't work, or you want to ensure the zoom feature is completely disabled, we need to dive into the accessibility settings. Here's how. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Within Accessibility, look for Zoom and tap on it. You'll see a toggle switch next to Zoom. If it's green or toggled on, tap it to turn it off. Now the zoom feature should be completely disabled, preventing accidental zooms in the future.
Méthode 3. Restart your iPhone ***.
Sometimes, a simple restart can solve minor software glitches that might be causing the zoom issue. To restart, press and hold either volume button and the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider, then wait 30 seconds for your device to turn off. To turn your device back on, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Once your iPhone restarts, check if the screen is still zoomed in. Hopefully, this has resolved the problem. Troubleshooting if none of these work. If you've tried all these methods and your screen is still zoomed in, it's possible there's a different issue at play, or a more significant software problem. In this case, you might want to consider updating your iOS. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Go to Settings, General Software Update. Resetting all settings. This will reset all your settings to their defaults, but it won't erase your data. Go to Settings, General Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset all settings. Be careful with other reset options. Contacting Apple Support. If all else fails, it's best to contact Apple Support for further assistance. They can diagnose more complex issues and provide specialized solutions. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods has fixed your zoomed-in iPhone screen. It's usually a quick and easy fix, as we've demonstrated. If this video helped you solve your problem, please give it a like, subscribe to Roam Tech for more helpful tech tutorials, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.